Mom, I smell something strange. Look, smoke from the kitchen.
Oh no, why is there smoke? Bill, stay here and do not move. Oh no, the kitchen is on fire. Bill, this is an emergency. Oh! I must call the firefighters now.
Fire station speaking.
Please help me. My kitchen is on fire.
What is your home address?
My home is at number 12 Green Street.
Do not worry. We will come very soon.
Bill, we need to go out.
Move fast! We have a fire call!
Help me! Help me! The fire is in the kitchen.
We will stop the fire now.
Please step back and stay safe.
The fire is out now.
Huh? Hey, thank you so much.
Please be careful when you cook.
I will remember. Thank you.
Firefighters are so cool. I really admire you and want to be a firefighter one day.
That is a great dream. Do you want to visit our fire station?
Really? Yes, I want to go.
Yes, of course. Let's go.
Wow, this truck is very big. There are many buttons here.
I know.
This is a very cool truck. I feel like a little hero.
This is our fire station.
This place is very cool. Wow. There are so many fire trucks here.
Let's go to the control room. You will see something cool.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow, there are many screens. What are these screens for?
We watch the city from here. This screen shows homes. That screen shows schools.
Can you see smoke from here?
Yes, we can see danger very fast.
So you can help people faster.
Yes, that is our job.
Wow, that is amazing.
Next, I will show you something amazing.
Really? Yeah!
This is a firefighter's uniform.
Wow. Is it heavy?
No, it helps us stay safe and stops heat.
Wow, cool.
This is a firefighter helmet.
Why do you wear this helmet?
It protects our head from danger. Do you want to try the uniform?
Yes, I want it. How do I look?
You look like a little firefighter. Let's see more of the fire station.
Let's go! Woohoo!
This is the equipment room.
Mr. Firefighter, what is that?
This is a fire ladder.
What do you use it for?
We use it to climb tall buildings.
Oh, wow. What is this?
This is a fire extinguisher.
Is it heavy?
Yes, Bill, but that helped me stop the fire at your home today.
Wow, awesome. Can I use it?
I think not now. Grow up a little, and I will teach you.
Okay, I agree, Iron. Huh? What is this, Mr. Firefighter?
This is a fire hose. The water very strong.
Oh,
That helps stop fire.
fast! Wow, amazing!
Listen, the emergency bell.
Wow! What's happening?
Don't worry, Bill. This is just a practice drill.
Is there really a fire inside?
It's a safe training fire. We practice here to save people. Keep the water focused on the second floor windows. Roger that. Maintain pressure.
Help me! Are they going to be okay?
Yes, they are well trained.
They saved her! That's right!
We always help people in danger.
The firefighters are really brave.
Thank you, Bill. That means a lot to us.
I feel really happy to be here today.
We're happy to share this experience with you. And remember, always be careful with fire, okay?
Yes, I promise. Bill! Over here! Goodbye, the firefighters. See you later.
Bye-bye, Bill.
Mom, today was so cool.
Okay, let's go home.
Mom, I wish I could become a firefighter one day.
That's a wonderful dream, honey.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Bye-bye.